Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto dimensioning grids using Dynamo. Here in this floor plan, I created some grids, both horizontal and vertical grids. Let's create the Dynamo script. Open Dynamo first. Here, I'm going to use a package called, I'm going to use a node from the package called a Genius Loki. First, search for dimension by reference. This node. Here we need these inputs: view, line, reference, and dimension type. First, for view, search for document.current. Document.current and active view. Document.active view. Make sure to change this to manual. Connect into this view. Then we need the line. I'm going to make this to group. One.view. Then search for select model elements. To select our grids. Then we need line. For that, search for grid.curve. Then curve.start point. Curve.start point. Connect this element into grid, then curve into curve. Then we need line dot best fit through point. We can create a dimension line from these nodes, but if we need to offset, we need to add translate. For that, search for geometry.translate. Geometry.translate direction and distance. Then connect this line into geometry. For the direction, I'm going to add y-axis, vector.y-axis. For the distance, search for number node. And connect this into distance. That's it. Connect this into line. And for reference, we need another node from the Genius Loki package, Loki package. Search for element reference. Element reference. I think there is a problem. Okay, that's it. I'm going to make this as group and name it as dimension line. Here, this one is reference line. connect this element into this input, then reference into here. That's it. Now we need dimension type. For that, search for element classes, then all elements of classes, all elements of class. In element class, search for dimension type, because we need to give dimension type as input, and connect this and search for element dot name. Element dot name. Now I'm going to freeze this script and click run. When I click run, it needs input. Here it shows the dimension type available in the project. We need to get one of these dimension type based on our needs. Now I'm going to search for list.indexes, index of. Now connect this string into this list and search for string node. And paste, copy and paste the dimension, type whatever you want. I'm going to take this one as dimension type and connect and search for list.item at index. Not this one. List.get item at index. Connect this index into this input and element into this list input. That's it. Our script is ready now. Unfreeze this Dynamo by reference and connect this into Dynamo. Now I'm going to make some node as input, so we can use it Dynamo player. So here I'm going to make it as input, and the second input as this offset. Make it as input and change this name to offset. Accept. And here change this name to dimension type. Okay, that's it. We have 3 inputs now, and search for watch node and connect this dimension and make this watch node as output. That's it. Our script is ready now. Now I'm going to make it as group and change the name to dimension type. And this one as output. That's it. Our script is ready now. Let's save and close. And also close the Dynamo. Now I'm going to open Dynamo player. You can see the script which I have created. I'm going to click this on. There are 3 inputs. First one is dimension type. I'm going to keep this name as dimension type. For offset, -1000. And to select the model elements, for that, click this select and select the grids. First, vertical grids. It select that the 9 elements, there are 9 scripts in this place, and click run. That's it. It's created the dimension based on our dimension type. Now I'm going to select the horizontal grids. For that, again, click the select and select the grids and click run. That's it. Our grids or our dimensions are created. Okay, everyone. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe.